Morning, bore da, croeso i'r Family Futures Summit. We're at the Card Castle today and let's go and see what it's all about.
Coming into the summit, we had asked everybody who wanted to be here today to tell us why they wanted to join us. We identified that there were 3 key themes that people were wanting to see. And the first was community and support. So we actually designed the day in a way that enabled people to build connections and relationships with the people around them.
Hearing everybody's different stories has been amazing. Just connecting with other parents. Hopefully I've also widened my network within the screen industries of other parents. I'm very keen to work with other parents in the screen industry, so that's incredibly helpful.
It was amazing to hear from different people, different stories, but also the openness of people sharing, and it allows you to realise that it's not just me, I'm not the only one. And what was really good was hearing different strategies, what different things are happening. I mean, the industry has moved on a lot, but there's still a lot of work to be done.
The second was to think about new ways of doing things, either at home or at work.
So could you talk us through the different types of support that people can access?
Until we sort out the working hours in our industry and until we sort out the amount of stress and pressure that has such an impact on mental health, job sharing is a really useful tool to tackle that. Something that came across loud and clear is the benefit of job sharing, not only from a point of view of the freelancer, but also creatively, that you have people who are less exhausted, more creative and happier at work.
We need continuous provision of support for parents to allow them to feel confident to go away, have children, enjoy bringing up their children and still have a place to come back to in the industry, and that requires funding, support and a change of culture.
People have been so excited to hear about the different options, the different opportunities, the different learnings from schemes elsewhere that they could actually look to adopt and implementing within Wales. And then the third was changing the story, and I think this was a theme which came out of a lot of the conversations about we need to make parents within the industry more visible.
If there's one thing I would like to tell parents working in our industry is that you are not a problem. You're not a problem to be solved. You bring incredible experience, knowledge, time management, solving capacity.
You need to be really, really open about the fact that you've got kids so that people know, because if the rest of your production team aren't aware of the pressures you're under, then they're not actually going to be able to support you.
Our industry needs you, so find the way to make it work.
Be loud and proud about what you need. Stick together.
Hang in there.